What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Investor Josh, and on a regular basis, I bring you videos with what I consider are the best stocks and cryptos to invest in today. I've been investing in the stock market for approximately 13 years. I first invested in Bitcoin back in 2013. So if you want to come along for the journey, hopefully together we can make some massive profits. I've been making massive profits now on this channel throughout the past 2 months on a regular basis, picking coins pumping 20, 30, 40, 50%, a few even over 100% on a daily basis, and things have been amazing. Except for today, wasn't so amazing. We're going to talk a little bit more about that. But please, if you haven't subscribed, scroll down, hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs for the algorithm. It really helps boost the video up. And if you want to be interactive, please leave a comment. Also, I have links down below for my Twitter. On my Twitter, I'm fairly interactive, and I post on there usually what I buy and sell sooner than I do on YouTube. So first off, I want to kick off with talking a little bit about the first thing that happened in the line of events. Vitalik did a rug pull. If you don't know who Vitalik is, he's the creator of Ethereum, the second largest capped crypto out there. It's been pumping recently. I'm invested in it. I hope you're invested in it too. You would have made some very, very, very nice profits in the past few weeks and months if you have been invested in it. Specifically, the past few weeks, it has been doing a beautiful, great job of pumping things up, especially in that altcoin space over there. But basically, Shiba, which is it's a meme coin, many of you might have heard about it, is pumped a lot lately. The TikTok kids are right into it. A very small amount of them were made millionaires when they bought some a few weeks back, and it pumped hard. It went straight up, and you could have turned a few thousand into millions very easily. But since then, they put it on Binance and all the other big exchanges. It hasn't really moved a lot. Basically, once the word's out, that big pump's done and dusted. So you have to be on these coins before anyone's really talking about them. As soon as everyone's talking about them, the pump's done. Okay, so that's my opinion. My opinion seems to be following the masses in that sense. So I think you could potentially still make some money on Shiba, but that kind of pump where you're turning a few thousand into over $1 million, done and dusted. It's basically a normal coin, unless Elon Musk or someone like that goes and picks up Shiba and starts promoting it like Dogecoin. We're not going to see that much more out of it, in my opinion. Probably over the next year or so, if Elon sends his rocket to space by using Dogecoin, you probably will see more of a movement in Dogecoin than you will in Shiba over the next 12 months. That's my prediction anyway. So Vitalik, when Shiba started, and a lot of coins do this, they know Vitalik's wallet address. They donate a lot of money over to him, or a lot of their cryptocurrency, and can basically say, look, Vitalik's a massive holder of our crypto, is promoting their business. He doesn't ask for it, it just gets given to him. So today, what seems to have happened is he's dumped it all, sold it all, and there was a heap of it. There was a lot of it, and that's really brought down the price on Shiba and all the other TikTok kids. And what's happened is he's allegedly, from what I've read and heard, he's given that money that he's made from that to a charity. He's made a lot of money. He's one of the first, if not the first, crypto billionaire, even potentially double billion, did like 2 billion or more recently with the massive up spike that Ethereum's had, and he obviously holds a lot of Ethereum, so it's not like he needs this money. So pulled the rug out of the TikTok kids' feet and gave that money away to charity. Slowly coming back up with the rest of the market. The other big piece of news is Elon Musk, or Tesla, has come out and basically said they're no longer going to accept Bitcoin for Teslas. They're reducing that because Bitcoin, basically, to mine Bitcoin, it uses a lot of energy, which they're saying is fossil fuels. Obviously, Tesla wants to be a green energy company. That's why they're winding back their sales of cars in Bitcoin. I think it's effective immediately. Don't quote me on that immediately. There could be a date where it stops. But basically, no more Bitcoin for Tesla. But then Elon's come out and said, we're not selling any more of our Bitcoin right now. They bought the $1.5 billion. $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. They're holding on to it. So, because they're aware if they just dump all that Bitcoin, the whole Bitcoin market's gonna not be looking too good. A lot of people are gonna lose a lot of money, and I guess they don't want that kind of responsibility right now. So but they mentioned they're looking to other cryptocurrency coins, which potentially in the future you can buy a Tesla with, cryptos that are more environmentally efficient. So that's the big news today as far as what Vitalik did and what Elon did. Between the two of them, the market really came down today. Great buying opportunity for me. I didn't put any new money on, but what I had was some stop losses on my current cryptos. So once it hit that point, the market came down, it hit that point, it stopped, it cashed it out into USDT, and the market continued to fall. And then when I thought it was reversing, I took that money from here and bought down here, hopefully making some profits in the long term. So that's good stuff right there for me. Hopefully you had some fortunate, something like that happens to you. If not, hopefully you had some cash on the sidelines to buy in today. That's been going on in the market. I just briefly also want to talk to you about one coin. I think the chart's looking very nice for it, and it's bounced back quite nicely from the Elon week. Was Zcash or ZEC. It's a privacy coin. I like to look at its chart. I think it has a good future in the immediate and medium term, at least potentially long term also. With Zcash, something for you to check out if you're looking for a new crypto to get in on. That would be something I'll be looking at. Do your own due diligence, do your own research. This has not been financial advice, it's for entertainment purposes only. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video of hopefully another coin that's going to pump real soon. And I've got the links down below. If you love free money, over at eToro, there's a link there. For most of the world, if you deposit 100, you get deposit and trade 100, you get 50. They give you 50. Qatar, some countries around Qatar, you deposit and trade with 100, you get 100. And here in Australia, if you deposit and trade with 200, you'll receive 100 into your account. That's my eToro link. They have the big cap cryptos over there: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, XLM, all of those are over there. Cardano is over there. Also, I have another link down below for Australian exchanges. The eToro one is for the world. The countries and cities are all linked down below. For Australia, an Australian exchange, we have coinspot.com.au. I've got a link down below if you want to join up at CoinSpot. It'll give you $10 worth of free Bitcoin. So you get $10 over there if you use my link. And another link, if you just want to trade stocks only, you can look at Stake. It's an app for Australians to trade on the US share market. It has a tremendous amount of stocks, and you'll get one free stock when you use my link. It'll either be DROPBOX, GOPRO, or Nike. So that's all for you to use. Thank you. Help support the channel. YouTube don't pay me yet, so this kind of stuff helps support the channel. And thank you so much for everyone subscribed. Thank you for the nice messages on Twitter. And just thank you once again. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.